And just like that, I have a new favorite utility knife. Let me tell you about it. So this is the VOTREK box cutter. It's a utility knife. Does come in a set of 2, which I love because I want to have one on both floors because I'm always looking for one. And a set of 2 is great value. So really well built, 3 blade settings. Number 1, just the very tip of it out. That's the safe way to be able to cut cardboard boxes. Number 2 is about the typical length that I think most people are going to use for whatever DIY projects. And then the farthest out is when you're cutting through carpet, which I have found this works incredibly well on doing carpet, the foam underneath, those sorts of things. This slices right through with no problem. So I really like that the extra blades are here. They're right built in it. I've had some where you have to like snap off the blade to create, you know, the extra sharp part going down. And I hate that. They crack. It doesn't work. This works really well with these extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades sitting in here. Easily accessible. You're not going to lose them. And when you need to pop one out, you just hit this button right here, pop the blade out, pull this in, and you're ready to go in about 5 seconds time. So it's lightweight, has nice grip structure under here. I'm left-handed. I have no problem using it with left hand, right hand. There's no special shape that makes it lend one way or the other. So I use this really frequently, all kinds of materials. I think I've gone through acrylic, gone through a few different kinds of fabric and nylon. As I mentioned, the carpet and the foam underneath. This handles it all. Some that I've had just kind of chew through it. This is very smooth, just gone through because it's a great quality blade. So solidly built. This is going to hold up for a while. I've dropped it several times on a garage concrete floor, no problem. So I'm really happy with the thought they put into this. This is a great everyday use thing when you need a box cutter or utility knife. This is one I think you should try out. I recommend.